doing is creating something brilliant. Sausage and mash, microwavable meal. A humble dish, but what I live on and I love and I find ultra delicious, especially with the spices. So let's get this mission on, shall we? Welcome to cooking bangers and mash in the microwave. Who's your bitch? Screwdriver in case you don't have an implement to put a hole in the microwavable plastic. Or whatever it is. Oh wait, that was wrong. That was correct. You've got to get the integers right. If you get the wrong integers on a microwavable dish, you're fucked. You're fucked. And never cook it to its precision form of perfection. Assholes. It looks like it's time to take the beer. Take the meat. Ain't got time to bleed. So now the bitter sun that God does control in proxy of sentient forces does remove its cloud-based power, it's strolling from the legitimacy of photon stream which I wish to see in the everyday vista of cinema which I am creating in this manifest moment of self-realization under an independent power of glory into truth. As may you well say, we all think. But here am I, alone, aloft, and alack, and alan. But never mind. The spewing of the buttocks is not a thing for my glands. And I'm well within that as pleasant. Stop it, Nicholas. Stop it. What is the matter of my days? What is the meaning of my psyche? The essence of my being? We are making a 5-minute film. And the time it takes to make that film is the time it takes to make a sausage and mash microwavable meal. And that tastes very freaking delicious. And the point is, do you realise how blessed we are, how lucky we are, how absolutely stunningly, unreally, engorgedly fortunate we are to enjoy this highly intelligent, tasty availability of affordable grub? No, I don't think you always do. I always give thanks for every meal. Not openly, vocally or physically in the acumen of the tongue and the jaw and the mouth, but in my mind. Every dish I consume, especially when hungry, is like a gift from God. And all the food that we make in England is frickin' delicious if you're into it. There are multiple flavours and tastes available for all sorts of recipe and goodness. And what a range, what a smorgasbord of wonderful, wonderful dishes for multiple palates. Now remember this knowledge. Meat is included. For without meat I would die. I am not a herbivore. I'm hardly an omnivore. I am hugely a carnivore. I'm sorry, Moby. I am apologising to you because I know you're a star. But I'm allowed to eat meat under God. And I have to survive. And I love the taste of it. Ooh, beautiful cow, beautiful. And it's a dog. I don't eat dog. Don't eat goat. Lamb. I love lamb. Pork. Yeah, it's alright. I like bacon. Crispy edge bacon. The edge. Oh, the edge of a burnt pig will keep you healthy. No, don't be grim. But we gotta do this shit with farmer-based community. I'm not a farmer, but I like the meat they create to eat, you see. It's very delicious. I am well within my grounds under holy law to eat meat, for I think God provided sentient life to replicate so that we could have a complete food stock for Eternia. It makes sense, really, doesn't it? He didn't make them intelligent. They don't know how to make light bulbs. But the point is, I'm going to take you through this torturous experience even further than you could dare think is likely under watching the entirety of this video. And I am managing to get my words out in some semblance of what I'm attempting to illustrate. So let's get to it. We've got 10 seconds. T-minus 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sausage and mash complete. Let's move in for the goodness. This is where it gets shit exciting. The mix. The added components. But first, we need a clean bowl. This is a moderately clean bowl. Not sufficiently clean for my usual taste, but will do for now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the... Grim. I hate slimy sinks for a cat, don't you? Only because I always live with one. I fucking hate it. No one wants to clean up a dodge sink. Oh, here we go. How do we do this? Okay, here we go. Right, first open the sausage. The sausage compartment is your most important compartment. It holds the sausage, the gravy and the onion, which is freaking glorious. I mean, we're talking super special. The potato, without wishing to disparage potatoes, is secondary issue, although equally vital to the whole meal. Dealville meal. It's not even veal. What a steal. Pork. Okay, so there goes in the potato. Now the usage of that plastic tub system is now obsolete. And we're going to go in for the fork and grub. But first we need to apply the spices. I'm going to do this heroically, bravely, and with sheer love for everything in humanity and on earth that is flavoursome, beautiful, sensual, textual, admirable, adorable, lovely, bright and beautiful. For they are all good things. All good things to those who wait. No, Nick, you suppressed this Hannibal Lecter thing a long time ago. Don't bring it up again now. It was just a joke to start with. It was never real. It was a joke that got out of hand one night over a smoke with a few girls, one called Laura. I never ate her liver with some fava beans and a nice Chianti. Right, I need my fork. Oh, the fork of Damocles. I need salt. Gotta have salt. Just need a touch more salt to regulate the biomass of your physiology with perfect ingredients of salt tissue. And then the final and most devastating spice is the cayenne pepper. And this shit, according to Huey's mate, who's female, is really good for you. And I can't say she's wrong, because I love it, and I'm doing alright for me, and I've eaten this for a long time, so I must be doing quite well. So anyway, what we're going to do now is find a fork, and then I shall consume this beautiful dish, and I will be in a heavenly place of zen-like beauty and painless genius. I will feel no horror, no hatred, no animosity, no disregard for my fellow man, no plotting of conspiracy to overthrow this, that and the other of power structures from foreign sources. I shall just have a very, very delicious meal. And in that, under the God who grants the world the kingdom of love and favour and faith, I will be pleased for a micron of time in the grand expanse of the universal and infinite embrace. However, in the knowledge of all this relative time experience, this one eating of the bowl system and its contents therein will be so delicious to my palate that I will once again, in a microcosm of giving thanks, give huge glory to God above his genius, which is always ever present and not really one for slagging unless you're really a high class lawyer or a bit of an arsehole or satanic, which I like to think I'm none of them. So let's just give thanks for this, because I think it's awesome and I think it's delicious. I want to eat it.